Ma'am Maria, right?
Yeah, Maria. I can check more.
Okay po. Ma'am, okay lang yan, vlogging.
Yeah, okay.
Say hi, ma'am. Say hi.
Hello.
Yes. Can you speak Tagalog, ma'am?
Salamat po.
Yun, a little bit. Salamat po. Ayun.
Salamat po. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Maganda.
Yun, maganda. You are maganda, ma'am. So yun mga ka-handsome, no? Na-pick up na natin si Ma'am Maria dito sa may SM Jazz Residence. At ongoing na kami sa aming drop-off location sa may LRT Hill Puyat. So let's go! Where are you from, ma'am?
France.
France.
Yes.
There are so many beautiful in France. Do you have relatives here?
Yeah, I work here.
You work here. Okay. Philippines, do you think is nice?
Yeah, so nice.
Nice, nice.
So nice. People are very nice.
Very nice. Friendly people.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you want to drop off? Left side or right side?
I don't know. It's to take a bus. Do you know?
Yeah, yeah.
I've never been there. So.
Okay. Where you headed to?
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay. Okay. It's so nice place in Tagaytay because the trip.
Ano?
Ah,
Here? Taal Lake?
maybe so far. We're not safe. You need to
You don't know.
taxi or bus.
Bus.
Yeah, this another
Okay.
another street.
Yeah, it's DLTB. So
Yeah,
that's
okay.
the-
There are so many buses to go through to Tagaytay.
Oh, yeah.
If you like this taxi, maybe very expensive. If you
Yeah, I think so.
yeah. There, maybe Jackliner. Bus.
Yeah.
That's the other side, the LTV, on the other side. What song?
Watsons. Like the...
Ah,
It's my friend.
yeah. That's
There.
okay.
You can drop me here if you want. I can walk.
No, I will drop you there.
Okay, thank you. If you want, I can.
Okay. No.
Okay,
It's
come on.
it's already.